Okay, mwana wanje, okay?
So,
uzanira hakuno bulletproof vest cyangwa antibar umwana yambare. Hari hanze hari umugabo. Uri gushaka kwihorera.
Thing that happened a long time ago.
Ni ibintu byabaye imyaka 9 ariko umugabo yarwaye cyane.
They're from the army.
Aba bantu baje hano kumfasha twarwananye mu gisirikare. Ko mbona batameze nk'abaganga umenya mu mukecuru yarabeshye umwana ko yari umuganga mu gisirikare.
You weren't a medic, were you?
Mama ntabwo ari umuganga, sibyo? No.
I had medical training.
Oya, nabyo narabyitoje. Nafashe short course.
You're gonna have to tell me where you've been hiding.
Ugomba kubwira hano mu mazi iminsi mwihisha.
You've been skipping school.
Mu minsi wabaga wabunduye wakwibye ishuri. Akajya kuzana kakana kagahunga icyo atazi bakamanyuye kapfuye kare.
The western edge near the Sullivan's boundary.
Hafi no ku rugabano rwa Sullivan hahandi muhana imbibi. Hamwe hateye rushenge sikigari we.
Come, I have to get to Michael.
No, you stay here, you're safe.
Ndashaka yuko tujyana ukajya kuzana Michael yaguma hano ni ufite umutekano.
These people.
Aba bantu ndabizera.
With your life.
Bizera n'ubuzima bwanje bwose mugiye kugumana. Sibyo? Ati isasu tawe. Sasu ryarariye bakibaraguza do. Muzeyeguye gatwe gato. Bako. Bamwise ghost umugabo uri hano. Se sasu riramurya. Mukecuru yavuze ati umuntu wa mbere najya hasi umenye ko ghost yahageze ni umuzimu Nyagasani. Umva ko bavuga isasu ryarariye bose barikanga. Mugabo uri hakuno ntago asanzwe bita ghost. Dore ghost ahantu yiryamiye hakurya kure. White dog arapfuye over call. Bino muntu nonaha. Kuki barabyumva. Base ni bamudahusha ariko ntibanamubonye. Ntibamenye na isasu rivuye. Gasani. To